Today I'm going to be making another slime video. So let's get into it. Mom's making the blocks right now. I'm going to be making this glitter slime. So I'm going to have to take this cap off. So now I don't have any cap then. You have to use warm water, Ma. Oh. After you almost completely use, then now it's time for shaving cream or shaving foam. It wasn't actually the last of it, so we're reusing it. Wait, oh no, forgot the thing that you need to do. Shake, so it comes out and won't be blocky. Okay, after you shake it, I don't know, but it add interesting amount. Really interesting. I don't know why. But I want to add a little bit of color, even though it might not even show up. So I'm just going to add some purple. Okay, now I have my thing. This is the one that I used for the other slime video. It has a little bit, because it has a little bit of the... hard to mix, but we need to add our borax thing Mom's working on. But right now I'm just going to keep on mixing so that it plays a little bit. Ma, are you ready?
I'm waiting for the hot water.
I'm gonna add a little bit of shaving. Foam, because I love cupping slime, but I don't want to use like all of it because but we are getting slime. So we need to start playing. It's like this gray. Do you have any more black? Do you have any? I doubt that we have any. See? No! It actually dropped. No! It drops. It drops. Oh my. Get something to get it off. Ma, I'm gonna get something to get off and drop it.
Are you trying to put something in this can?
What? Not anymore. I'll see if there was anything. I need to go find something. Can I use this?
No.
Oh. What can I use to get it off? What can I use to get it off?
I already take off. Let's try.
Okay. That would be enough.
Is there some glue in there?
Yeah. But, I mean, no.
No more?
No.
This is empty?
Yeah.
Where was the glue here? You put here?
I put it in, yeah.
Why I didn't see the glitter?
Wait, see, look. There's glitter. But purple actually worked.
Do you still need this?
No, the bottle, no.
Oh, so why we are cleaning it?
Because I don't want to waste the stuff. Mine is warm water. No, warm water. Warm water.
So that glitter glue is empty.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is like a bigger amount than my first slime, but my first slime we had to throw it out because I did a big mistake. Oh, really nice. Good for your hands, feeling. Okay, so now you can decide if you want any more. I want to add more fluff. But remember, no measurements for how fluffiness you can add. So let's add a little bit of borax.
Okay, you mix.
Okay, that's enough. No, don't add any
Sure,
more.
you need more. So it's okay. Oh, looks like this is a lot.
Yeah, but don't over borax it. Don't over borax it.
Okay, let's help me stir it.
Can I stir it? It's like sticking. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just so excited for slime. I'm now a slime girl.
Ah, I see that glitter at the bottom.
See now, it will prevail onto your slime. I'm gonna add
No, don't.
because we don't need like a lot of this container, so yeah, we don't need like a lot of containers. Somebody gotta thank me for getting rid of these containers. But I definitely know it won't fit into this slime container. But
Why the glitter? I didn't see a lot of glitter there. Because maybe you color it with purple?
no, it's because I add lots of stuff into it.
I don't know, maybe you can play it. Start playing.
Ew.
Oh, I see the glitter.
Just need to play with it. See it. Okay, do it right now. Consistency. But I'm seeing like a difference between glitter slime and not glitter slime.
Oh, you have a lot.
Wait, forgot. A little bit more. Guys, see, this is how much you can actually do. I am in love with this slime. All ready. Okay, see here. We didn't need a lot because Mom had like a lot of work. But we used minimal amount of time, not like my mom did. This is really big. It's bigger than the ones I had before. And see, oh, it was so messy before on me.
Why it's not stretching?
Because we're still making it. And probably because I had a lot, but I can do my favorite thing. Really crunchy. It's like purple with glitter, and the glitter doesn't fall off like that sand thing. But I don't think we're going to throw this out ever. I'm going to be like, when Mom says, sorry, gotta throw it out. Like she does. Oh, I want to say, can we just look at it? But other ones I didn't say, because someone will probably end up throwing it if it's like Abby or me. But I could have. I didn't actually think of that. It was just because it was a sandy mess. So you can see that. See, it's getting a little bit stretchy. Ah! Yeah, it's getting the best slime ever. Comment down below if I should make water slime, the jiggly water slime, or to be making that if you say yes. To make some jiggle slime.
But it's not stretchy, like the first one you made.
I know it's not stretchy because probably I had a lot of foam, shaving foam,
Ah.
but I don't care.
It's like more on a foamy. It's like a styrofoam, right?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Ah.
You just have to peel it later. So there. So this is empty, right?
Yeah.
I like the regular glitter.
That's a regular.
I like the plain one.
But like this is actually
Now that one has a lot of noise. It makes which is good. Did you finish the foam or no?
no.
You still have?
Yeah. This is like purple or gray slime. And if you're wondering why is your table turned green, it's probably because it's stuff in this. That's weird that it's green. Maybe something about like no, it looks like there's like algae, but it isn't algae. But we probably have to go because it's like a long video. So hope you enjoyed the video on how to make slime. And if you're wondering, this is not green paint. It's just something that reacts when I play with this beautiful slime. Yes, like it when it comes close, like it makes your hands look green. So, this slime needs a little bit more playing, and it's stretchy. Oh my, it's even longer than this video. So subscribe and comment down below if I should make water slime, because I have another gallon of glue. I mean, another bottle, not gallon. I keep on saying gallon from everything because I really want a gallon of glue. But that's actually when I get bottles. Because, like, I don't know. But I actually really love this glitter. Slime. But a little suggestion, always start with how much borax, like when to play like I did, so that it won't get hard. And not add too much foam. but I don't know like too much, but it feels good, but firm bow, not had like a lot, guys. So bye.